On YouTube, it's your boy Tuso KC back with another video, man. And today we about to take the S5 to get the exhaust fixed. I don't know if y'all remember the old video I posted maybe like a month ago where I cut the exhaust because one side was leaning. So yeah, and that shit been stinking. So today we about to get that fixed. And then I also got to go to another shop to see if I need control arms or engine mounts. It's one of the two, but I probably need both. So yeah, we're about to tap into that. Before we hop into this video, make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, like the video, and thank y'all for always supporting the kid. I'm always gonna thank y'all. And right now, moving up my noodles. Haven't ate all days, got work, so yeah, we're about to do that, and then catch y'all on the. All right, guys, we about to pull up to the shop now.
Turn right, then arrive at your destination.
It's right there. Let's see what they talking. Yeah, my voice sounds a little messed up. I got a little runny nose, stuffed nose, so I don't be talking. Shut up. So yeah, guys, they just got done with this exhaust. Me personally, I low-key like the one tip on each side instead of the quad tips. It looks way better. This is me personally though. But I'm gonna pull over somewhere and get a video so y'all can see it while it's on the ground now, since it was in the lifted when I was trying to show y'all. Like I said, don't mind my voice. My nose stuffy right now, so yeah. But I'm gonna cut you guys on when I find the spot. So like I said, I did have the dual tips on, but I went 1 and 1. I feel like it looks 10 times better. Just my personal opinion. But y'all let me know what y'all think. Make sure y'all follow for more content.